Welcome to Parramatta BMW. In this tips and tricks video, we're going to speak about condition-based servicing requirements, how to look up when your service is due, and also to check your service history in your vehicle. As far back as 1982, BMW was the first car manufacturer to do away with rigid maintenance intervals and adopt a servicing approach based on a vehicle's actual requirements. Depending on the model, the condition of wearing parts and operating fluids, it's determined by using sensors and algorithms based on factors such as kilometres or driving habits. This is known as condition-based servicing. Every time you start the car, look at the bottom of your instrument cluster in the middle. This will show you how many kilometres to go or at what time your next service will be due. If you'd like to delve into this further to see exactly what's due, it's very simple. All you need to go is into your onboard computer. Simply select your vehicle status, then go to service requirements. Once you enter service requirements, this will actually indicate to you how long to go until the next service or how many kilometres the next service is actually due in. In this particular example, my vehicle check, engine oil, will be due in 2021 or in 20,000 kilometres time. The second way is just as simple. Simply install the Bmw Connector Drive App on your phone, enter the app. Here it will show you information on your vehicle, but more importantly, you can go into the info section, check on required services, and this will as well show you exactly how long until the next service is due or how many kilometres until that service is due. On older model vehicles, the system is still relatively the same, but just a little bit different. In this particular version, we go into the home screen, select My Vehicle, then look at Vehicle Status, and then go down to the Service History menu. In this particular example, we can see that the brake fluid is due, the rear brake pads are due, and the front brake pads are almost due. Vehicle check still has quite a while to go. Same again with the service history. In the same service requirements menu, just head up to the top where it says the service history, select that, and you'll be able to see all the previous history that was carried out on the vehicle and what was done at that point in time. Again, on the older models, the process is pretty much the same. Simply press the start-stop button and it will come up at the bottom of the instrument cluster when your service is due. On this particular example, the service is overdue. My name's Barry. Thanks again for tuning in to Tips and Tricks. We'll hope to see you soon at Parramatta BMW.